Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, my guide Pedia. आप डिटेल्ड essays, stories, 12th class English syllabus and letters के लिए हमारी साइट theaugustboy.com पर विजिट करें. And today I am gonna share with you 10 lines on parrot. A parrot is a beautiful bird with green feathers. The parrot is a pet bird. It is a bird found in tropical and subtropical regions. Parrots are of approximately 398 species. The parrot has a strong curved red beak. The parrot has strong and clawed feet. Parrots are vividly colored and some are multicolored. Parrots' diet includes seeds, nuts, fruit, birds, and plant material. Some species of parrots also eat animals and carrion. Parrots are the most intelligent birds that have the ability birds that imitate humans. Parrots make their nest in trees. Thanks for watching. If you like our information and videos, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.